Alright, so look at that. Look at that. All the way up, and that's how low my car was. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. All the way up. All the way to the TP top up. And that's how low my car was riding. These just suck, yo. Look at that. You could see me squishing it. You could see me moving it. Like, it's crazy. And just so you guys know, look. Same in the other side. Same exact thing in the other side. All the way up. And I already started getting thing there. And the same thing. Look how easily I can move this. That's so bad, y'all. But yeah, so right now we're actually gonna go with these, the big boys. Like, I think these, if I remember correctly, these are the Stream Low edition. Like, these are like not the ones that you bend. Like, look how much spring said turn, and look. Same size as this one, pretty much. It's like about an inch smaller, but I'm gonna put the adjuster so it can be an inch higher because I don't want this thing to be too low either. So there's the front one too. I'm gonna adjust the front ones with the same height that it already had. The same height that it already had. It was perfectly fine. So yeah. Let me show you guys the fronts. These are the fronts. The fronts are good. Like, I actually don't mind the front ones. The front ones are, they did good. They ride good. They feel good. It's just the back ones that are shit. But this is how it's holding up so far. Brand new screw back here and nut. So yeah. So right now we're just gonna replace it with those. These are the new wheels. I haven't showed you guys. They look sexy as hell. Just wait until they're in the car. New rotors, new brake pads. But for some reason, it's giving me a code to check my brakes, and I have no idea what it is. This has a sensor somewhere back here. Look right here. But we don't know where this goes. I'm pretty sure this Audi doesn't bring any sensors for the brakes. But for some reason, I'm getting the check your brake after I hit a pothole, so I don't know what I need to do. So I'm probably gonna have to bring it to Audi so they can tell me what's wrong with it, and I have to pay $1 million to get it fixed. So yeah. Aside from that, these are getting painted too, so stay tuned for that video. I'm painting them orange. I was gonna surprise you guys with the color, but I'm just gonna tell you it's orange. I'm going with a orange, maybe purple theme on this car next. So yeah. Show you guys the other one. These are these. Rotors new, brakes new. These are the old suspensions. They're holding up pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the ECS is the front ones are holding up good. It's just the rear ones that suck. I don't know why I don't know if I put it wrong. I'm pretty sure I didn't put it wrong because that's exactly how I seen people put it, and that's how ACS told me to put it. So I put it that way, and it's still too low. So now we're gonna go with these, put it on, and see how we are with this. Like, I'm actually buying expensive shit for this car, not cheap shit like this. So let's see what we get. Now we took out the top ones. Dale. Dale, está bien, no hay problema. Now I'm gonna take these off compared to the old ones. Now while putting these on, I'm not gonna say be cautious too. I'm saying like they're labeled. So this one says it right here, front left. So this is front driver's side, which is the one that I just took out right now. Now, side-by-side comparisons, you can already tell the humongous difference. Like, you can tell the difference right away. And I believe I even put this one on the wrong side. I'm pretty sure this was supposed to be on the right side and it was on the driver's side. So there you go. So this is front left. I'm gonna adjust it to kind of be the same length as this, because I wanted to have the same height and stuff. So we'll do it right now. So the ending fits in this one fine, how it's supposed to, but this one doesn't match up with that. Yo creo que porque
Tú ves que si tú lo metes, ves. Mira ese balín donde va.
see, this one, the nut it should be going on that side, should be going on this side, but if we put this in, then it's gonna go on the other side. And that's not how it's supposed to be. I don't think it'll matter, but it's not supposed to be like that. So, yeah.
Sí, me está aguantado ahí.
See. So, let me show you guys. See, right there is supposed to be the nut, and it's supposed to come on, yeah. But for some reason, this cup is not the right one, and I have to put it in like that. But it should work fine, I guess. But I'm most likely gonna have to order that piece again. But I think it worked just like normal. So yeah. no, that's assumptions. So we managed to put it in. You know, I guess that this could do justice. I'm not completely. He says it'll be fine, but like it shouldn't be like that. So I'm not completely confident on how it's gonna drive like that. But you know, what can I do? I'm going with it. I'm full sending it. Most bad case scenario is this probably breaks and I have to buy one of these little cups, and that's it for that. And I found the issue for my light actually. So I've been having this light on to check my brakes, and it turns out that the cable, so these pads come with a little sensor for your car, and I didn't think that there was a sensor for my car, but there is. So this thing, it's supposed to be like a whole thing that clips in here, but obviously it broke, and you know, they just put tape over it. But this thing goes in here, and this is the sensor for the brakes. So right now what I'm gonna do is actually connect it, turn it on. If it goes away, then I'll tape it up completely. If it doesn't go away, then I'll just turn these around and see if it goes away like that. So yeah. So you see how this goes in here, goes through the back, and then that goes in through here, and the nuts go here. Mine and the other side is not like that at all. So we'll probably need to change that later, but this is fine, which is the other side. It's always something with suspensions. It's always something. So we took off this side, which was take this off, this drops down, take off the old one, put the new shock in. This is the shock for the other side. The wheel go in here as such. The spring is already in. I put the 1 inch spacer just in case, and everything all set. So now we just gotta put this on, drop the car, and we'll be done. All right, so first thing, suspensions are on. The sensor that was disconnected is connected. I don't have the light anymore. Car drives smooth, and I'm talking smooth. There isn't really rubbing, what do you say? But car feels good, drives good. Yo, the suspension's definitely, oh my god, these suspensions make it feel like you're driving on stock. like it feels amazing. Like it's higher. It's not high, but it's like higher. Like I still hear the rubbing, which I don't mind because I am. That was a Subaru. Quite frankly, I might change these rims. I don't like black on this car. It kind of looks weird. So I might go with, I want to go with white rims or gunmetal or something like that. I don't really like black rims. Not really my preference. Bouncy at all. I like how it's stiff, like you don't feel bouncy. Feels, see this is how suspensions need to feel. BC Racing, if you can afford these and you can buy these, I suggest you buy these, because these are it. These are the extreme low edition, so they're lower than the normal one, but I mean they're not extremely low. I haven't showed you guys the fitment yet, but I will once I get home. To be honest, right now I'm just driving it to like feel it, to like how it feels in the holes and all that other shit, and it does not feel a single inch like the ECS to me. Holy shit, like every little hole you feel. But with these are like stiff, like you feel them but not like ECS tuning. Like these ones, like God, still rubbing, but it's because the wheels are too wide. I'm just gonna sell these wheels and get newer ones. I mean, get white ones or something like that. So far, I'm gonna give it a 8.5 out of 10. These suspensions, 8.5. Sure, you're probably like, "Wow, you saying they're the best and this and this and that?" Yeah, they're not perfect, you know. Perfect are perfect, you know. But if I could give it a rating, it's an easy 8.5. 8.5 out of 10.